This assessment teaches us that common alkyl groups will have very defined patterns of signals and splitting, and asks us to draw that for a variety of them. I caught a lucky break here because I only have to draw methyl. Now, if we look at the methyl group, there are 3 hydrogens on the carbon, so we're only going to see one signal for the methyl group. And what about its multiplicity? Well, if we look at the CH3, by it being attached to R, we're making the assumption that R has no hydrogens. And so these 3 equivalent hydrogens have 0 neighbors. So we would expect a methyl group to always be a singlet. Because there are 3 hydrogens that give rise to that signal, we expect it to integrate to 3.